So another question I've been hearing is, can you use MAXL ONE on top of your current pro coating? Yes, MAXL ONE will work on top of your current 3-year plus professional coating. It actually helps to boost and often outperform your current coating's gloss, shine, and hydrophobicity. You can think of MAXL ONE as a maintenance topper. It won't interfere with your base coating at all. It will only enhance it and help boost its performance. MAXL ONE is a perfect way to refresh and protect your current coating until your next wash. What's amazing about MAXL ONE is it's actually a waterless wash. So you don't even need to do full washes. All you have to do is spray this on, wipe it down, and you're good to go. You don't need to bring out the buckets and the soaps and the sponges and the hoses, all of that. All you need is this bottle, a couple of microfiber towels, and you're good to go. This is the one product to clean, protect, and boost your current coating, and the great thing is you can do it anywhere. You can take MAXL ONE anywhere you go. I hope I answered your question. If you have any more questions, leave a comment down below and I will try to get to it. So thanks, have a good one.